Welcome to HealthGuard, your source for health and wellness tips. Hey there, HealthGuard family. Today, we're uncovering 15 household objects that might be hiding a secret. They could pose a cancer risk. Stick around because you won't believe how many of these are in your home right now. First up, non-stick cookware. While it's super convenient, overheating these pans can release toxic fumes containing PFOA. These chemicals have been linked to cancer in animal studies. Opt for stainless steel or cast iron instead. Love that fresh scent? Air fresheners often contain formaldehyde and benzene, both known carcinogens. Switch to natural alternatives like essential oils to keep your home smelling great and safe. Many cleaning products have harmful chemicals like ammonia and chlorine. These can increase cancer risk with prolonged exposure. Look for eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning solutions. Those plastic containers might be convenient, but they often contain BPA or phthalates, which can leach into your food and beverages. These chemicals are linked to cancer. Switch to glass or stainless steel for safer storage. From shampoos to lotions, many personal care products contain parabens and phthalates. These disrupt hormones and could increase cancer risk. Choose products with natural ingredients for a healthier routine. Processed foods often have preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can form cancer-causing compounds in your body. Aim for a diet rich in fresh, whole foods. Some artificial sweeteners like aspartame have sparked debates about their safety. Concerns about long-term effects persist, so consider natural sweeteners like stevia or honey. Microwave popcorn bags often contain PFOA, a chemical linked to cancer. Choose air-popped popcorn as a healthier, safer alternative. Flame retardants in upholstered furniture can release toxic chemicals over time, associated with cancer. Look for furniture free of these chemicals. Tap water might contain contaminants like chlorine and lead. Installing a water filter can help reduce exposure to these potentially harmful substances. Dry cleaning uses perchloroethylene, a known carcinogen. Opt for wet cleaning or non-toxic alternatives. Pesticides and herbicides used in gardening can contain carcinogens. Handle these with care and consider organic gardening methods. Older paints may contain lead and other toxic substances. If you're renovating, ensure proper ventilation and consider professional help for safe removal. Radon is a naturally occurring gas that can seep into homes and is the second leading cause of lung cancer. Test your home for radon and take steps to mitigate if necessary. Some candles, especially paraffin wax ones, can release harmful chemicals when burned. Opt for candles made from beeswax or soy and keep your space well ventilated. Awareness is the first step to a safer home environment. By making informed choices, you can reduce your exposure to potentially harmful substances. Thanks for watching, HealthGuard family, and stay healthy.